Let me tell you something. Computer classes, they may be fun and all, but it's stressful. I mean, learning it and all that other stuff, that's no problem with me because I take notes like I don't know what. It's just all the studying and learning all this stuff on the top of your head. Oh, I'm like, ugh. Doing the work is no problem with me. I can do the work. It's just remembering. That's, ugh. Yeah. And the books are heavy. You think I'm kidding? Look at this big old thing. Let me cover it. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this big old thing, man. This thing heavy. And the book bags, look at this. Oof. Thing heavy. Oh, God, it's not that heavy. Yeah. If you got computer classes, leave a comment down below. Let me know about your experience in computer classes. Me is same old except for the work and oh my. Whew. And bye bye.